What is the lifeblood of an asset? What keeps it moving? How is its life extended? Who keeps it safe? Which do we want? Which do we need? What are the risks? How do we manage them? It's every turnstile, it's every escalator, it's every stadium light, every bridge and road. It's the valves, conveyors, pumps, compressors, boilers, motors, generators that serve you that you don't see. Assets come in all shapes and sizes, meeting all needs. How do they contribute to organizations and society? When they work, no one notices. No one notices the women and men who work behind the scenes, around the clock, every day, making strategies and plans and taking action to keep things running. And who is there for these professionals, supporting them, developing best practices, building a body of knowledge, setting international standards, sharing insights, building highly respected certificate programs, and in turn, highly respected credentials, building a community of professionals who care.
I wish I had found PEMAC earlier in my career.
The programs that we deliver are exceptional.
Leading our best practice.
Tap into the expertise of professionals and experts from around the world.
Give individuals and organizations increased capacity to manage their assets better.
A repository for information that members can access.
And best practice sharing.
We say connect, learn, contribute, because when you get to the point where you're contributing back to the association, you're learning far more than you could learn in any of the other ways.
Designations that are widely recognized across Canada as well as internationally.
Best in class.
PEMAC is cross-industry.
What is best practice? What are other companies doing?
That sparks conversations, that sparks ideas, and that sparks partnerships and connection.
They get up every morning and they just live, breathe reliability, maintenance, and asset management.
Yesterday's excellence is today's standard, is tomorrow's mediocrity.
Delivering value from assets for their stakeholders.
Canadian leaders in asset management.
PEMAC, we enable excellence in maintenance, reliability, and asset management through collaboration, applied learning, and leadership. Join us. We are the Canadian leaders in asset management.